Welcome! Today I'm showing how to link or unlink your Siri option from Home key in your iPhone SE 2022. First of all, open your settings and then scroll down and go into Siri and search. Tap it. And now here we got press Home for Siri. This position, like green, it's activate this option. Tap one more time and here we got turn off Siri. And this position, it's turn off your Siri, and this option, press Home for Siri. Tapping one more time, enable Siri, and it works. So let's try pressing Home, and how you can see, Siri is activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.